In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a resume in Canva. First, you'll want to log into your Canva account. Once you're on the home page, look over to the left-hand side of the screen and find the option labeled Create. Go ahead and click that. A pop-up window will appear, and at the top of this pop-up, you'll see a search bar. Type resume into that search bar. Canva will now show you different resume options, including various sizes and orientations, like portrait or landscape. Choose the size and orientation that works best for you and your industry. When you click your choice, Canva will open it up inside the main editor. Inside the editor, you'll notice that the templates panel is already open on the left side. For this tutorial, we'll use one of these existing templates to make things quick and professional. At the top of this left panel, there's another search field. You can use it to search for a particular resume style, such as minimalist, modern, or corporate. Take a moment to scroll through the options and preview a few designs. When you find a template that feels right for your role and personality, click it once, and it will automatically appear on your canvas in the center of the screen. Now it's time to customize the content. Click on any text box to edit what it says, and to adjust the font, size, or color if needed. Start by replacing the placeholder name and contact details with your own. Include your full name, a professional email address, a phone number, your general location, and if relevant, a link to your LinkedIn profile or online portfolio. Next, add a short professional summary at the top. In 2 to 4 sentences, explain who you are, what you do, and the type of role you're targeting. After that, update the skills section with your key strengths, focusing on skills that match the jobs you're applying for. Move down to the work experience section. List your job titles, company names, locations, and dates. Under each role, write brief bullet-style lines that highlight achievement-based results, not just responsibilities. Then, fill in your education and add any certifications, projects, or notable achievements that help show your abilities. Keep the layout clean and easy to scan, ideally staying on one page with plenty of white space. When you're happy with your resume, go to the top right corner and click Share. From the drop-down, select Download. Set the file type to PDF, then choose the specific PDF option you prefer and adjust any other settings you need. Finally, click Download to save your resume to your device. And that's it. You've just built a polished resume in Canva ready to send to potential employers.